you know, in Rocky 2, where he looks over to Mick and he says, "I'm not going down no more," you know, and he gets his ass kicked basically by Creed throughout the rest of the fight, but he doesn't go down.
I mean, you did say that they have all that talent in Dallas. Of course, they got Zeke, they got Amari Cooper, they got Dak.
Yeah, they got everybody. They got everybody.
Do you think it's part of that Philadelphian culture to have that knit and grit? Not always have the most talent, but you know you're going to work hard.
Of course, you know, the one thing about me personally is that, you know, it's all heart. You know, I might not be, you know, the flashiest chef. I might not be like the most finesse on the plate, you know, and this or that. But what I do have is that heart and grit and grime to claw my way to wherever it is that I need to be, and to put myself up there with whoever I need to be up there with. You know what I mean? Like I won't lose. It's like Rocky, you know, in Rocky 2, where he looks over to Mick and he says, "I'm not going down no more," you know, and he gets his ass kicked basically by Creed throughout the rest of the fight, but he doesn't go down. And when you know it, he wins at the end, you know?
Exactly. I love that one Rocky quote. It goes, it's not about how hard you get hit, or it's not about how hard you hit, it's about how hard you get hit and get up and keep on fighting.
That's right.
How do you think that kind of revolves around Philadelphian culture?
I think that every single person born, raised, and has that grit in their heart, we all know that. You know, my wife actually teases me and she goes, "You know, Rocky's not actually a real person, right?" And I say to her, "No, he is. He's real. You know, he's a champ, you know," because I mean, it's just that type of foundation in our heart, you know, to not give up and to keep on going no matter what life throws at you, no matter what, if it is that you're sick or you're poor or you're broke or you're coming up or you're held down or whatever, you know, like, it's almost like, yo, I'm gonna win this thing. You know, I'm gonna keep on fighting until I'm at the top, no matter how much I get hit or cut or bruised or spit on or stomped. I'm winning everything.